Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about geckos. If you've got geckos, on the outside of your home or on the inside of your home, we get calls every once in a while about geckos. People saying they have a gecko problem, they want us to come get rid of them for them. So I thought I'd talk a little bit about that. Typically, I see every morning I'm seeing geckos scurrying up and down this wall right here. So I was hoping I could catch some today, but they're not out today. But I will post some pictures of some geckos. But the thing you need to know about geckos is they are a natural means of pest control. They eat bugs. They eat all kinds of bugs. They eat spiders and roaches and ants and beetles, whatever you can think of, whatever they can find, they're going to eat. So if you're trying to control pests, if you don't like pests in your home and you've got geckos, they are your friend. They're going to help the pest control problem and help the situation by controlling some of the pest population. Now, if you just can't stand the sight of geckos and you've got to get them out of your home or off your home or whatever, then the best way to do that is to control the pest in your home so that you eliminate their food source so that they leave. So you got to do a pest control application. Whatever pest you're seeing, you got to do something about it. Get an application done, get them off your property, and then the geckos will leave as well. So if you've got them, don't worry about it. If you got geckos, don't worry about it. They're helping you out. They're going to be your friend when it comes to pest control. But if you can't stand them, you just got to do a pest control application and get rid of their food source. That's your only option. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that, just let us know. Thanks.